today we will be talking about philosophical foundations of special and inclusive education together with my co-reporter, Leona May Birandal. First, let's define inclusive education. The school and classroom operate on the premise that the students with disabilities are as fundamentally competent as students without disabilities. Therefore, all students can be full participants in their classrooms and in local community. Inclusive education is a widely accepted pedagogical and policy principle, but it has been long and at times difficult. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights included statements about rights and freedoms that have been used to promote inclusive education practices. In Article 26 of the Declaration stated that parents have the prior right to choose the kind of education that shall be given to their children. This declaration later helped some parent groups and educators to advocate for equal access to schooling in regular settings and for parental choice about where their child would be educated. Definition of special education. Special education is an educational program or service designed to meet the needs of children with special needs who cannot profit from general or regular education because of disabilities or exceptional abilities. Special education, also known as special needs education, is the practice of educating students in a way that provides accommodations that address their individual differences, disabilities, and special needs. The philosophy of special education are: every child with special needs has a right to an educational program that is suitable to his needs. Special education shares with regular education basic responsibilities of the educational system to fulfill the right of the child to develop to his full potential. The philosophy of special education just simply means that special education is for people to have the ability to learn regardless of their particular disabilities or exceptional abilities. All the efforts to uphold dignity and rights of children with disabilities primary root from the philosophical understanding of man, which are mental, spiritual or moral, social, and physical. Philosophical understanding of man considers the human person as a physical being, physical, as knower, mental, as a person in relation to the others or to the society, social, to God, spiritual, and to the end or purpose of human life, moral. Now let's start for the philosophical foundations of special education and inclusive education. The philosophical foundation of curriculum helps determine the driving purpose of education as well as the roles of the various participants. While all foundations propose to set goals of curriculum, philosophy represents the manner of thinking from which those goals are created. Children with disabilities should have the rights as normal children do. Children with disabilities should be treated equally as child without disabilities. Children with disabilities should be treated like a normal child so that they can experience belongingness in the society. Children with disabilities must not be isolated nor be looked down. Children with disabilities should not be isolated because it will trigger their minds. It will be hard for them to accept their situations and mostly think that being person with disability is a curse in their lives. Children with disabilities must be treated as persons of dignity. Children with disabilities should be respected. Let us not laugh at their situations and pity their case. We should help in their positive development at all costs. Children with disabilities needs should be provided. Children with disabilities should receive the exact need they have to gain in order to help in their positive development. Care and attention also helps in giving them ease in their situation. And this will end my part, and Leona May Birandal will continue the report. Thank you.